What's up, guys? You already know who it is. It's Tay Nelson, and you already know what I'm about. I'm about giving you guys the raw, the real, the straight up truth about entrepreneurship, about having your own business, about making money online, whether it's being a marketer, an advertiser, you want to be Grant Cardone, you want to be Gary Vee, you want to be an entrepreneur, you want to build your business and stack it to the tippy top. Not the top of your class, we're talking the top of the world, right? Well, to get there, you have to understand the difference between assets and liability, okay? Not just from a business standpoint, but from a personal life standpoint on all levels. You gotta understand assets and liability, right? Right now, I am using my phone as an asset. It is taking the place of my microphone since my camera is a little far away. It's not capturing the best audio. So I use my phone as an asset to replace the fact that my camera audio is trash, right? So I get some good audio using my iPhone, right? So you got to ask yourself throughout the day, how often is your cell phone a liability for you? And how often is it an asset for you? Because to be honest, the cell phone, my laptop, my mouse, it's all powerful. It's all an asset to me. Now, growing up, it wasn't always like that. You know, my phone, I used it to Netflix and chill, mobile Netflix and chill, right? I'd be on, at my friend's house, I'd be mobiling in Netflix and chilling. So all I'm saying is, I'm not going to get into too much detail, but all I'm saying is recognize what's an asset in your life and what's a liability in your life and see if you could make that switch, because life is what you make it. Like, this phone is what I make it. I can make it 100% liability for me by watching Netflix and doing all this senseless Instagram scrolling and all that stuff, and not actually using this cell phone to produce cash flow into my life. So I've been focusing on assets and liability. Whenever I realize something is a liability, I first think, how can I make the switch? How can I turn it from a liability to an asset? Because this is an important skill you will need in business as well in your personal life. So again, I didn't want to make this video super long. I know I'm talking with my hands a lot. I've been gone. I haven't shot a video in like 3 weeks. I'm rusty. But you get what I'm saying. Assets versus liability. My name is Tay Nelson, signing out.